I've had more hospitality management hands-on experience than I was ever expecting to have at Mizzou. Last semester I went to New York and did a Mizzou market analysis competition for a Kansas City hotel market. That's something I never thought I would do, but it really combined my business skills and my hospitality management skills because I am double majoring in both. Besides that, within the actual Mizzou community, I've done the Hotel Lodging Student Association. I have been in that, and I actually have a position in that this year. I've also been in the Mizzou Special Events Society. So in those two organizations, I've really been able to see hands-on learning and actual skills from professionals, whether that be in the hotel field or an event field. I have just been able to see what an everyday job looks like and kind of what my career will be in the future. So I've really learned about, between the hotel lodging competition that I did and the different organizations I've just learned how to network better and communicate with professionals and my peers, but seen like a whole different side to hospitality than I thought I would otherwise.